Hey everyone, so we're going to start using conferences to log into our classes when we're virtual at home, and I know several of you are using a phone, so I wanted to create a quick video to show you how to get to conferences on your phone. So we're used to using the Schoology and ClassLink apps to get to our assignments, but for conferences we need to use Safari or Google Chrome as our internet browser. And so I'm going to click down here on Safari, which is the little compass looking icon with the white square around it. And when I click on Safari, I want to go to the Cheatham County homepage. If you don't have it, just click up here at the top search bar, and you're going to start typing in Cheatham, and you want to click on Cheatham County School District and go to cheathamcountyschools.net. Once you get here, you're going to scroll down, click on ClassLink, and click on ClassLink again. And it's going to ask you to sign in. Maybe you're going to use your first last name and your login, and then you're going to sign in, click on Schoology, and go in that way. Once you get to Schoology, you're going to go on the blue bar and click the courses and the course you want. When you get here, it looks pretty small, so you're going to use 2 fingers on your screen, and you're going to spread your fingers apart to zoom in, and then you're going to use 1 finger to scroll over to the left side of your screen, and you're going to see all these buttons on the gray side, on the gray bar. You may not have as many of me, but you should have 6 or 7, and you're going to click on the one that says Conferences down towards the bottom. When you click on conferences, it's going to bring up a list of all your conferences that you have. So when you see your list, I'm going to zoom in, and when you see your list, you might see most of them say not started, and the name of them is in black. When that's happened, you can't see anything, or you can't click on anything. But when you have one in progress, it's going to turn blue and allow you to click on it. But you can't click until it says in progress. So you might need to be patient and wait a little bit longer when it gets closer to class. Once it gets closer to class, you can click on the conferences button again to refresh the page, and you'll see that it's in blue, and you can click on the blue link to go into your conference. You can always zoom in if you need to. Click on the blue link to go to the conference, and it's going to open it up in a new window. When you get to the new window, it's going to ask you how you want to join. And I always join with my microphone. That will make it a little bit easier to switch between muted and unmuted during the conference. Allow your microphone, and then it's going to come up with an echo test. So this echo test, it wants you to talk into it, and if you can hear yourself, you're going to do the green thumbs up. If you don't see the echo test, then I'll show you how to fix that. So when you're in the conference, you're going to see 3 different buttons at the bottom of your screen. So the first button is the microphone. You can see that mine's muted right now with the slash through it, and that means no one can hear me. If I want them to hear me, all I have to do is click on the microphone, and it's going to unmute me. And when I unmute myself, it's going to turn blue, and it's going to start flashing. As you can see, this means that my microphone is on and people can hear me in the conference. Then if I want to mute myself, all I have to do is click on it again, and it will go back to having the slash through it. The other button is the video camera button on the right side of the screen, and you can see that it has a slash through it right now, which means my video is off. If for some reason I want to turn my video on, all I have to do is I can click on it, allow my camera, and it's going to show me what it looks like, and it's going to bring up my video. And you can see it at the top of your screen in a little bitty video. And so when you want to end it, you just click on it, and the slash is there to turn it off. The other button is this middle button, and it looks like a telephone. This is your audio. So if for some reason during the conference it stops working and you can't hear anything, make sure this button is blue. If it's not blue, that means the audio isn't on and we need to make it blue. So you can see when it's not blue, my microphone goes away and it has a slash through it telling me that my audio is off. So to join it again, I can click on it and turn my audio on. So when I click on it, it's going to ask me to join with my microphone, and then it's going to bring up another echo test. So you're going to click the green thumbs up button if you can hear, and now my audio is working again. And so when you are done with the recording or the conference, you can either exit out by going to the home screen, or you can click the little buttons, these little squares down at the bottom, and that will bring up your pages and you can exit out through the conference that way. One more thing I wanted to show you is what to do if you're absent for some reason, or you want to go back and listen to a conference or a meeting that we had before. And to do that, you just go to the completed button, which is at the top of the screen where it says active. You're just going to click on where it says completed, and it's going to bring up all the different recordings from the conferences that we've had before. And all you have to do is click on play, and it will play that conference from that day. You can see in my classes, I always have it listed as what we talk about that day, so it will make it a little bit easier to find the lesson that you're wanting to listen to. So all you have to do, you click on the play and it opens it up in a new screen. And then once it loads, all you have to do is hit play and it'll start playing the video. It's just like any other video. You can start it, stop it, skip around, go to the section you want to, whatever you want to do. And when you're done, just hit exit out and it brings it up to where you can exit out of it. I hope this video helps. If you still have questions though, just let me know. You can email me, do whatever you need to, and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Bye.